I do not want my face to be ruined.
हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। मैं हूँ अक्षता श्रीवास्तव, आप सभी की दोस्त और प्यारी सी होस्ट। इस बार मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं अपने चैनल पे कुछ नया ऐड करने वाली हूँ और वो नया क्या है वो आपको पता चलेगा इस वीडियो के बाद। सो यस, आई होप आप लोगों ने अब गेस कर लिया होगा कि वो नया क्या होने वाला है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बता देती हूँ कि वो नया ये होगा कि मैं आपसे फ्राइडे को कुछ कुक करूँगी। ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, एक बेवरेज हो सकता है, एक मेन कोर्स हो सकता है, एक फास्ट फूड हो सकता है, और उसके साथ मैं बनाऊँगी अपना ब्लॉग। आई होप आप लोगों को ये चीज़ पसंद आएगी और हम लोग मिल के एन्जॉय करेंगे। आज के ब्लॉग में मैं बनाने वाली हूँ क्रिस्पी कॉर्न्स। सो लेट्स सी इसको कैसे बनाना है और मैंने कैसे बनाया। So these are the corns. Now I'll put them on boil.
Minutes later.
Now these are the things that we need. Now that we are ready with all the spices and everything, I'll take these corns. Add a little salt. We'll add a little salt to it as per your taste. I've taken nearly 1 teaspoon. Then I'll add a little red chili powder. You can add it as per your taste. So I've added salt and red chili powder. Now we'll add corn flour and multi-purpose flour, that is maida. Now I'll add nearly 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 3 teaspoons of maida. I'll mix it well. I'll also add a little black pepper powder.
One eternity later.
The coating. So now that we are done with the coating of our corns, we'll put a heating pan. We'll take a kadhai that we call, and we'll put some oil and heat it, and then we'll fry these. I'll use stove for this. So I've switched it to stove from induction. So I'll take out the fried corns in this, and I'll be ready with the tissue papers. One thing is very important here, that while we put corns inside the oil, we have to make sure that it is in the low flame, because if it is not, the corns will start to burst, which will be bad. Please. Yes, it's done. So now I'll add corns. I'm a little afraid of frying the things. I do not really understand how to do these. This much is enough, I guess. I'll cover it with a lid so that it doesn't burst on me. I do not want my face to be ruined. Initially, if I'll cook it on low flame, it will not burst and it will be cooked, and then we can make it crispy. Yeah. I do not know why I'm not able to speak today. I want my dish to be tasty. Let's try. See, once they start floating in the oil, no, I'll show. Once they start floating in the oil means they've been cooked and there is no risk. But only a few are floating, so I need to let them be there. So this is the view. I'll put it back. Okay, so I'll first fry these all the same way, and then I'll come back. So here's our crispy corn. We need to spread it through and keep it under fan for some time, and till then I'll do other preparations and we'll see what to do next. Now that we are done with frying the crispy corns, we'll do the next step, which is here. Now I've taken pan. Now I'll add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil in this. I'll pour it in such a way that the whole pan gets covered so that the things doesn't stick to it. And anyhow, it is a non-stick pan still. Now that we are ready, we have taken the pan, we have added the oil, it has heated. Now we'll add green chilies, garlic. I'm really afraid of it. And we'll stir it. We want the raw smell of garlic. We'll half cook it. Then we'll add salt to taste. I've added a little less salt because we don't take a lot of salt. Little red chili powder. Black. This happens only with me. Sure. I've added a whole choti katori of black pepper powder. Oh god, seriously. Now I'll add chopped onions. We cook it. So we cook these.
the onions are half cooked as they need not be fully cooked or they won't be crunchy. Then we'll add red chili sauce, tomato sauce, and mix these well. We'll make a thick corn flour paste and add a little more water. This is the consistency. As we can see that this sauce is ready, we'll add our crispy corns, and these are literally very crispy. The sauce is ready. We'll add crispy corns into it. And now we'll give it a good mix. Now it won't take a lot of time. It will be done. It is almost done now. We're just heating it. तो गाइस कैसा लगा आपको मेरा क्रिस्पी कॉर्न? मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी इसको बनाने में, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई इसको बनाने में. आई रियली डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि इसको इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, बट एनी हाउ आई डिड इट. आई होप आप लोग भी इसको ट्राई करें, मेरे से थोड़ा बेटर वे में ट्राई करिएगा एंड मेरे को फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह भेजिएगा. एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस. थैंक यू सो मच मेरा वीडियो वॉच करने के लिए. स्टे कनेक्टेड.